All right, it's time for your daily crypto update with Framework Fortune Crypto. I'm your host, Ben. Now let's dive in. So, Bitcoin still holding up, holding this support zone here as of now, but is downtrending. If it doesn't break its downtrend soon, Bitcoin's going to come back down even more. We got a lot of lines on Bitcoin at the moment, but I need to keep an eye on that because it hit like it was going to push up and try to get back to 60,000, but selling pressure rejected it down. Of course, the stock market really having some issues this week, so we're kind of getting a little bit of effect of that on the cryptos, some of them. Ethereum was able to get back up to 4,800, still looking bullish. A little pullback. This old resistance line looks like it's going to try. Stop doing that. Looks like it's going to try to hold as some new support, which is what we want to see. So if Ethereum can stay above 4,500, should see it continue on up to that 5,000. So it looks better than Bitcoin per usual. Just have to see on Bitcoin. I mean, I like it held up here, but I really want to see it continue pushing up, and it just keeps getting rejected. So it's just a little concerning. But we do have a few gainers today. Not much going on in the slow market, but StormX up, what, 16%? A little bounce. That's a pretty decent bounce for a 3-cent stock. From under 3 cents. Over 3.5 cents. Finally getting a little bit of action, breaking that downtrend. So the uptrend continues on StormX. We can get rid of that downtrend. So that trend line's all the way back down to the basically the start of StormX's run. Cardano actually, I mean, I wouldn't say this is showing life because it's still downtrending quite a bit. And in fact, even though it's popped up today, it's getting held up at the uptrend line. So that's a problem. You see that wick where it tried to pop above and then sellers pushed it back under that trend line. So that doesn't excite me any at all. Atom still holding up. So let's see, actually go to the list here. Atom back over 28. That's a good sign. You can see some of the Cosmos ecosystem going green. Now, I did not see this rip. So Luna breaking all the way up to 65. So that's a nice rip. Strong move there. Good show for the rest of the market to see Luna taking that big jump there. That has a $15 jump in 4 days. Very nice. So yeah, we should see Atom 2 looking like it may start moving again. Should see these other guys pop up some. Iris is still basically on its trend line, kind of. But Cosmos Ecosystem's starting to look like it's getting some life back into it. God's Token had a break of that downtrend, shot all the way up to 733. So since this thing has come out, I mean, it is really looking good. And if you are playing Gods, if you've seen the videos on it and you like what you've seen, the Forge is now open. And I'm going to do a video on that. I wanted to do it, I think the night before last, the Forge actually opened. But then it had to close back down, and Token Trove, where I look at the NFT card prices, was very, very slow because of all the traffic. Like, as soon as the Forge opened, it was insane. God's platform and all the other sites that are related to it were just getting such heavy traffic. But it is back open again, so with it being open, they said it's looking really good. Everything's fine. And I haven't checked token trove today, but tomorrow I plan on having that video out on the Forge and how you can make more money off of your NFT cards with the Forge. What's up, Mike B? Let's see, Lauren. No, I did not see that. Sheeb is being listed on an exchange in South America. That's awesome. No, it might be the stock market. Stock market was ugly this morning. You didn't miss a thing. You did not miss a thing. I got stopped out on 3 different trades. No major losses, all small losses, but just nothing breaking out today. Just slow crumbles of patterns. So that is, that's something I was saying at the beginning there, that if the stock market keeps coming down, could have an effect on cryptos. It has in the past, but not seemingly so much today. Especially certain projects. Like I was saying, Gods is doing pretty well. Voyager Token. I'm starting to have some pet peeves with Voyager, which I know is going to shock everybody because I've been very bullish on Voyager and that whole platform. And I still am, and I'm still excited about the desktop platform that's coming out with Voyager. My biggest gripe with Voyager, though, is moving money out of your account. So I've never had any problems with it, but it's slow. There's a 24-hour review on any money you move out, including transferring a coin to another wallet. There's a 24-hour hold. I really do not like that. Now, I just pulled some cash from Voyager to my bank account, and normally it only takes 24 hours, but it's been 72 hours and it still hasn't hit yet. So there's some issues there that they really need to resolve. I don't know if it's actually issues or them just trying to keep people in their platform, keep the money in their platform, so they've made it difficult to take it out. But it is annoying me at the moment with Voyager. But I'm not completely sold on Voyager. If something else was better to come along, I would definitely take a look at it. There's just nothing else I've seen better than Voyager for holding short term, well, not really short term, but medium to long term. I am, however, still holding most of the Voyager token. It did have another little pop up to that 550, pulled back with everything else pulling back, and I'm just waiting for it to try to re-break 5 one more time. Because every time it breaks, it tries to get up to 6. You can see these big old wicks every time. When it breaks over 5, it throws them up there. This time it didn't throw quite as big as a wick. It got stopped at 550. But we're building up a nice little pattern. And it may even be a cup and handle, because that is a nice U shape. So that could be a cup. And then right here would be your handle if we have another couple of candles the next 2 days. And then a nice explosion. So that's a possibility. I'm gonna hold them probably a couple more days, but I'm not trading right now because I'm holding Voyager in my Coinbase account and holding it all in on my Voyager account right now. But I think in the short term, I'm gonna keep some money in Voyager for the longer term investments. But as far as day trading goes, I think I'm going to move most of it over to Coinbase Pro for now, because I can do things easier with Coinbase Pro, and I have the Coinbase debit card, which makes it easier for paying bills and things like that. However, I'll probably do that, and as soon as I do that, Voyager will probably drop their desktop platform and come out with their debit card, and then I'll be just kicking myself. So that's probably what's going to happen, but it is what it is. So Sheep did get a nice rip out of that descending triangle, but got slammed back down again. So I like that the downtrend is broken, but we need to find and hold support. And we've not really found an area yet that has some support. Like these candles all have just been kind of bouncing around. Like back here it bounced off the 50, but we were below the 50 here. This candle dropped down to like quad 3.5. That was a little bit higher. Then this one's about the same. It's just like not really a good clear support area on Shiba yet, but it is holding the 50-day so far today. If it continues that, then we could see it start to rebound. I thought when it broke out this descending triangle here that it was really going to start going. I did get a little nice profit off of it, $100, but as soon as it started pushing back down, I got out. Let's see. Yeah, there is a $25,000 withdrawal cap. That is another thing. What's up, Daniel B? Yes, I am big into staking. I have a video here on the channel, Mike, about the Kepler Wallet. This is one of my cash flowing crypto assets where I do nothing but stake. So we'll go take a look at the Kepler wallet real quick. But I have a whole video on this wallet. You can see I've got Cosmos staking where I'm earning rewards. And I've got Iris. I got 14 Iris there I need to claim here soon. And I've got persistent staking. About 13 of those. And then I have Sentinel. I have 3,500 Sentinels. See, I got 21 there to claim. And that's all I'm staking at the moment. It's just these select Cosmos ecosystem coins. Sentinel, Persistence, Iris, Cosmos. I may get some Crow. I've been keeping a close eye on crypto.com. They got some licenses I forgot the other day. But because I can stake that in my Kepler wallet, I may grab some. Because I have been using Crow a little bit. But yeah, I am definitely into staking. I like what staking is and how you can make it a cash flowing asset. Like I don't pull any money out of that wallet every time I get more rewards. I usually check it like every 2 weeks. Put the rewards back into staking and just keep compounding that staking wallet until it makes a big enough cash flow every 2 weeks that I can actually pull money out of it. That would be worth it. Because now, I mean, it's only making, I think last time I checked it was probably making about $30 a month. But I don't know. I've not looked at the exact numbers because I'm just compounding. I really don't care at the moment what the exact numbers are. Because they change every 2 weeks because I'm putting the investments back in. But I do know I estimated around like $30 to $40 every 2 weeks off of that wallet. So as it grows eventually, I want that to be like 1,000 every 2 weeks. And once it gets to that, then I'll just no longer add to the staking. I'll just continue to take that 1,000 out every 2 weeks and it'll be another little cash flowing asset. Or I could continue to build it. You know, there's another possibility. Maybe build it up to 4,000. Who knows? Oh, and I do stake. I have Stormex. I have some Stormex that I've staked. But I staked it not really knowing what I was doing. It was my first experimental stake. And Stormex is on Ethereum blockchain. So the gas fees to stake and unstake at the time when I staked them last year, the gas fees weren't high at all. And then we had this big, huge rip. And this whole entire year, the gas fees have been ridiculous. So I've been building a little bit of interest on it. But it doesn't, you have to still pay the gas fees to stake the rewards, the staking rewards back in with any platform like Stormex that's built on top of Ethereum. So it makes it really hard, and that's why I like Kepler and the Cosmos ecosystem, because it doesn't cost Ethereum. It costs me a couple cents of you know, Atom or whatever. It doesn't even like to go and swap out my Atom for those coins that I got. Persistence and all those cost like a couple of cents, and then locking them up with the smart contract costs a couple of cents. So I don't do any staking on Ethereum because of that reason. But there's plenty of other places to stake. Like Kepler is one with the Cosmos ecosystem, but you got so many. I mean, you can stake Cardano, you can stake Lunaterra. Man, there's so many. There's so many proof of stake blockchains. Matic, I'm pretty sure you can stake. Don't know if Decentraland's got their staking up yet. VeChain, I think you can stake. Algorand, I know you can stake. A lot of different ones. Avalanche. Well, actually, I'm not sure about Avalanche. I think you can stake Avalanche. Orlando, why did Apple take such a big drop? I mean, the whole entire stock market's kind of dropping, so I'd just say Apple, you know, it was up yesterday, and then it was the only thing that was up, so today it just cracked finally. Oh, yeah, let's look at Crow, because like I said, you can stake Crow as well, but like I said, I can stake it in my Kepler wallet, so I kind of want to add some Crow, but I just didn't buy any Crow for such a long time because I had a bad taste in my mouth from crypto.com from when I first started researching and trading, but it seems like they've really got their stuff together. So I'm all right with crypto.com. But it's a pretty cheap coin, and when I'm staking, I really like to stake cheaper coins because you get more and then the rewards are more, so you can actually compound faster. And then if the coin does explode, you just make a ton of money. Titano? No, I've not heard of Titano, but they're... Whoa, 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 whoa. 142,000%? Or are you saying 142%? 142% is high, but not out of the normal. 142,000% would be wild. Let's look. Let's see if I can find this Titano and let's take a look at it. Titano coin, maybe. Yeah. Okay. Titano dot first automatic staking crypto. Okay. I'm interested. So partners, we got CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, Binance. Don't know these other two. Well, actually, Certic sounds familiar. Jesus. That can't be right. How could you be making 102,000%? So 5% of the fees go to staking. Compounds automatically with treasury-backed currency with intrinsic value. Interesting. You can earn up to at the end of the year, and with thousands of invested, you can earn up to $1 million. Yeah, I don't know about this. This sounds too good to be true. This sounds way too good to be true. Okay, true store of value. So they're calling their coin a true store of value. I mean, if it goes up 100,000% APY in a year, that's not even a store of value. That's just insanity. This is. Let me see this app. Let's see if this opens up here. Good God, look at this. 5-day rate, 994, I think, or maybe that's 1,000, 9,000. Estimate your returns. All right, let's see. So, how much are these damn tokens? Let me look on Live Coin Watch. This is interesting, Mike. You've got me intrigued here, but this, like I said, so it's 4 cents. It's on one exchange on Pancake Swap 2. That's the only way to get it. 100% sustainable. 1 year. And they're doing token burns. What is going on in this world? Total supply 4 billion, max supply 4 billion. So they don't even, it's capped. It's a capped coin and they're burning it. 400 billion's not that much, really. Okay. All right. Let's see this calculator. So they're 4 cents a token. So if I put in, how much would I got a calculator. Let me just pull up my calculator. Let's figure this out. I don't believe this, but I might be willing to throw $50 in it just to see. Because I have seen some crazy stuff, but this is by far the craziest APYs possible, and it doesn't even sound possible. It's insanity. So, okay, 4 cents on 1,000 shares, I think would be $40. Yeah. So let's see how much 1,000 shares would be in a year, or 1,000 coins. Come on, I put in $40 and I'm gonna make $45,000 by the end of the year. $40 to 45,000. What's up, One Life? Lisa, right now I'm just looking at this crazy Titano that Mike B has brought to our attention with this 100,000%. But yeah, One Life, I'm with you. I'm thinking about just throwing $40 in there just to see. It's a scam. Well, you don't know if it's a scam, One Life, by looking at the float. You can't tell that. It's a crazy amount, man. I don't know. They have a Twitter. They have Telegram. Let's pop up their Twitter. I looked at some of the tweets. You got 6,000 people following. Oh yeah, CertiK is a smart contract. I thought that sounded familiar. Yeah, I mean, I don't care if it's a scam and I throw $40 in or whatever. I'll make $40 in 5 minutes on a trade, so I'm not too worried about that. Or I'll lose $40 on a trade. Let's see. I'm gonna connect my hopefully. What network? So it's got its own network. Anyone could create. Okay. So you do got to import it to Token Swap. Oh, okay. So I need some BNB. I need some Binance to try to grab some of this Titano. Yeah, I know. I know I'm low on BNB because I don't hold BNB. Oh boy. Okay. Well, you need BNB and you need Pancake Swap 2 if you're going to be using this. But this is Titano is 100,000%, 100,000% risky. It's 100,000% APY, but it's also 100,000% risky. This is a pure gamble if you get in on this right now. Like, it sounds incredible, but it sounds way too good to be true, and I don't recommend anybody do anything with this at all. What I'm saying is what I'm going to do because I'm fine with my risk tolerance, but I don't tell you guys to buy or sell anything. Do not be, influenced to do anything because this is wild right here. This is so unbelievably wild. Like, I don't think this is real. I agree with one live. Yeah, exactly, Lauren. That's what One Live said about sheep too. Exactly. So it's definitely a red flag. Yeah, don't tell anyone. Yeah, it's more interesting. I'm going to do some more research on it too, but I'm not going to be able to grab any right now because I don't even have a Binance account. So I'm probably going to have to go open a Binance account, or maybe I can get. Well, I don't have anything in my MetaMask Binance wallet. My neighbor Alice. I've never heard of that token. That sounds weird. Oh, I do have some berry, but I don't think I can swap this shit. Let's see. I have 7 berries. Wait, am I seeing that right? Is berry at $443? That can't be right. What is this 13 showing me? I haven't used Pancake Swap much, so I'm not that familiar with it, so I could be doing something stupid here. Okay. Oh, okay. I see what it's saying. I'm getting 446 berry per BNB. So these berries must not be worth anything. Yeah, I already tried to do this once with Pancake Swap. I have to have the Binance to enable the berry. I'm not going to do that again, but that berry must not be worth anything. I don't think it is worth anything. I was given the berry, but I'm going to check real quick just to see. But it seems like it's not worth anything. I don't know if that's the right berry or not. Let's see, exchange. Where'd that berry go? BRY. Okay. Berry data, there it is. It's $1.41. That can't be right either. I don't think that's the right one. Well, whatever. I'm not going to waste any more time on that. But I will look into Titano more. And I'm going to try it out probably. Where do you stake at though? Let's see. Connect. Estimate your returns. Can you even stake it right now? Stake. How do you stake it? Let's see. Yeah, highest fixed APY. So it doesn't even change. And they're saying this elevated gain is sustained by the auto liquidity function and backed by the treasury and risk-free value to receive a percentage of trading volume fees dedicated to create a backing value committed to buy back and burn Titano tokens when the pair supply is worth 2.5% of the total supply. This auto stake feature is very simple. Oh, so you just buy them. You don't even have to stake them. So they have a rebase token that the supply of the token is increased or decreased algorithmically based on current price. Increases the token supply, allowing Titano holders to keep growing their tokens like in a staking pool. Okay, so, wow. If this is a scam, they really thought this scam out. So, the staking rewards are distributed every 30 minutes, and they are backed by the risk-free value parameter that ensures the higher interest rate. So it's because you're getting fees from everything. Let's see. The RFV parameter is greater than or equal to daily ROI, which is return on interest. This means that the swap threshold can fill the plus value generated. Assuming a daily compound interest of 1.899. If you start with a balance of $1 of Titano on day one, after a year, your balance will grow to 1,000. So it's a BEP 20 token, which I think is Binance BEP 20. Let me see. Yeah, it's the standard token of Binance. Okay. Like I said, I'm not as familiar with Binance, but that's what I thought it was. I know enough about Binance. Let's see. So they just did the fair launch on Pancake Swap. So they, like Mike B said, they're a new project. Let's see how to switch to Binance chain. We already know that. Huh. Alrighty then. And we'll be finding out later. It's crazy. It's crazy. If that's true at all, we'll keep up on it, but yeah, exactly, Lauren. Exactly. Yeah, if Elon Musk would have bought Titano, that thing wouldn't be 4 cents, Daniel B. Am I not on the crypto channel? I'm on the crypto channel. Yeah, I'm on the crypto channel. Can cryptos make split? What do you mean, like a stock split or reverse split? There's kind of a way. No, you can use Pancake Swap, Lauren. Pancake Swap is the only way to get Titano. What I was saying is I don't have any Binance coin, so I'm not able to use Pancake Swap. You have to have Binance coin BNB to be able to use Pancake Swap. I don't have it, at least to get this token anyway, to get Titano. You can get it on Trader Joe. I don't know what Trader Joe is. Might be, man. That's what I'm talking about. That's why I love having a community, because I learn things as well. You guys teach me stuff, and I love that. That makes me very happy. So let's see. This is on Avalanche. Looks like. I don't see Titanos on here. Did I spell it right? Titano. No, I don't see Titano on here. Are you sure you can get it on here, Mike B? Do we have to add it maybe? I've never used this Trader Joe's. Let's see. You got some pools here. Avalanche pools. You got some farms. See, like this pool right here, you get 21% plus 660%. That's not, I mean, it's crazy sounding, but it's not that crazy sounding. 100,000% is insanity. Like it sounds crazy. Oh, you can lend on here too. That's nice. So you can lend out and I guess get Joe rewards. Whose idea was it to make it Trader Joe? Zap. One click, convert tokens to LP tokens. Zap can cause slippage. Small amounts only. Magic internet money. That sounds like a Daniel B crypto right there. Like he would have made that one up. Or what he would call it. The Let's Go Brandon coin, I don't know. I do want to do a video on that one too, just because it would be fun. You guys got me researching coins. I ain't doing technical analysis right now. You got me doing fundamental analysis. How do I find that damn coin again? What was that at? I think I bookmarked it, didn't I? Let's see. Let me check my bookmarks. Yeah, there it is. Yeah. Let's go, Brandon. It's not. Let's see. Let's see that year chart. So it had a sell off from the initial pop, which is not surprising. Every new coin that comes out that's a meme coin is going to have a quick pop. Had a bounce, but now in this big downtrend, nothing really going on there. I'm going to go ahead and close my Kepler browser. Maybe just PooCoin. I've definitely never used PooCoin. I don't even know how I feel about using PooCoin. Let's see. Enter token name address. So let me go back to Titano. Where is that address at? See if I can just find it. Oh, there it is. Titano. And then we have a chart on it. Oh, look at this. PooCoin's got trading view charts. How about that? So this thing, it actually came out on the 18th, it looks like, and shot up basically from under a penny up to 8 cents, dipped, came back up to 8 cents, huge dip. But it's been slowly getting bought up here recently. This is a nice little uptrend that it started now. All this volatility is out of it. So it's just making a nice little slow move up. But I bet you're still going to have... Yeah, so PooCoin is still using Pancake Swap. See, Pancake V2. So you're still going to have BNB. It's no different. Let me check something real quick. Yeah, you're gonna Pancake Swap is just what you gotta use. That's all there is to it. Let me switch reject. Let me switch back to Ethereum because I do have some Ethereum there, and let's see if I'm able to at least start a contract. Oh, I'm not connected. That would probably help if I connected my wallet. Oh, it's trying to make me switch to, yeah. So you can't do it, but you have to have Binance Coin. That is the only way. You have to have BNB to be able to swap it for Titano. I could add neon lights and emojis if you really want. If you guys want a nice sparkly channel, you want it to look like a casino. I don't know why you'd want that, but you can. Yeah, I don't know if I'd use. Yeah, I don't know. I honestly don't know about Trust Wallet. I do not use it, so I have no idea. And I think I can only buy Ethereum on MetaMask. Well, hold on. Let me switch to the BNB network. Or BNB network. Let's see. Yeah, see, I can't buy from the BNB network. Let me think. Is there a swap that I could use that I could get BNB? But even if I use another swap and get BNB, I'll still have to transfer it over to the BNB chain if I get it off chain on a different chain. Yeah, I don't know. Because I don't think, is Coinbase? I don't think Binance is on Coinbase. Come on. My Coinbase Pro. Come on. I'm pretty certain it's not. No, it's not on Coinbase. So I can't get it from there. Yeah, I mean, you pretty much, from what I'm seeing, and of course I could be wrong, but as far as I know, you're going to have a Binance account to be able to get BNB coin. You can get it on Shiba Swap? Well, let's go pop and look at Shiba Swap then. Shiba Swap is interesting. I was saying that the other day when we were looking at Shiba Swap, how their exchange has really come along. I haven't used it yet, but we'll see. We'll see what I can do with it. Swap. Either way, I was already thinking about opening a Binance account anyway, just to have it. As I have crypto.com, I have Voyager, I have Coinbase. I have Webull, but I don't use Webull for cryptos. Well, Shiba Swap's not working. I just gave you compliments, Shiba. And then you go and do this and stop working on me. Alright, now where'd that swap go? Swap. Alright, well, I'll figure it out. I'll do more research on it tonight and see what I can find out if Shiba is going to work eventually. We'll see. Oh, wait a minute. Here we go. It might be working here. Nope. Nope, Shiba Swap is not working for me. What is the ticker symbol of Titano? Is there a ticker symbol or is it just Titano? No, it's just Titano. Well, I appreciate the information, Mike B. We'll definitely look into it more, and I'll keep you guys updated. And if I can get a little bit of Titano, I'll let you guys know if the interest is paying out the way it says it is. And then I'll also see if I can remove it, because that'll be the thing. If you can't get the money out, then what's the point in investing in it? So we'll see. I'll take the brunt of the risk, the surprise. What? Alright, so Yeah, nothing really going on still. IOTA with a little move up. Oh yeah, Matic trying to break out of this big wedge finally. If it can hold above $2, just like before, it is good to try to continue to go. Now, this is a pretty good pattern. Nice uptrend and breaking that downtrend. Matic has been really suffering for a while, so this is actually good strength coming out of it. So I would actually be keeping Matic on close watch for a possible big breakout here soon, maybe up to 3 or even 350. Monero is at the trend line. That's held for about, what, 2 weeks? Right on the trend line. Is it that bad with Binance? I haven't tried, so I don't know. Oh, Lauren, make sure you use Binance.us because if you're in the US, you cannot use the full Binance app. You can only use Binance.us. Which is one of the reasons I hadn't started a Binance account. They do got some staking, but it's pretty low staking interest. Well, the algo's a little the algo's decent. Can I get like an actual chart? Oh, I can. Ooh, look at there, trading view charts. Okay, Binance, I see you. I see you. You've changed quite a bit since the last time I've looked at you. Yeah, buddy. Let's see what I got here. There's a 1-day chart. Oh my goodness, this is so much better than Coinbase Pro. I mean, it's not much. Well, what is that doing? Let's see. That's just showing the buy orders. I want to see both buys and sells. Okay, there we go. Well, And they've got a stop limit order? Oh boy. Oh boy, they actually have stop losses. Oh my goodness. It's just a stop limit though. It's not a stop market. They do have market orders though. Huh. Yeah, they've changed a lot. That's the thing, man. All these platforms and everything that's been out for a little while, they're advancing pretty fast. And I got trend lines. Look at that. Oh my goodness. This is so much better than Coinbase Pro. Except, hold on though. Before I give it too much, I think there's a reason why I haven't switched to Binance. Is that the advanced trading? Is that the same thing? Yeah, it is. Okay. I don't think that Binance.us has as many coins as Voyager or Coinbase. Oh, wait a minute. Go back. There we go. I just saw how to change it. There we go. So we've got... yeah, I mean, you got a lot of regular names on here. Avi, Cardano, Algo, AMP, Anchor, Atom, Band, Basic Attention Token, BNB, of course. I don't know what BUSD is. CRV's on here though. That's one that rips a lot that I don't have access to. Dot, Dash, Doge, ENJ, Filecoin, Graph, HBAR, HNT, Iconics, IOTA, Mana. Okay. Waves is on there too. Waves is another one I've never had access to that rips. It's actually not bad. There's enough that you could trade easily with this. Alright, so maybe I'll be switching from Coinbase Pro to Binance. Wait. I know what it is. Orlando, are you in the chat? Because Orlando had Binance and Orlando got this right here. This is it right here. This is exactly what I was about to say. This is the candle wick that stopped him out on this Bitcoin position. So for day trading, I mean, you're going to be sitting here more than likely, if you're like me, watching the charts. You're probably not going to get caught up in this. But for holding long term, you can get destroyed. Because Orlando had a stop loss in and this wick right here. And it only happened on Binance. So that is a big concern about Binance. I knew there was something recently that was real, that I was like, man, I don't know if I'd use Binance. This is how it is with every platform in the US. There's always like I like what I'm seeing here. These trading view charts are beautiful. The setup is easy. I have everything I need here, but that candle wick right there is scary. It has a buy limit. You can not see it? Oh, I guess you can't see it. So right there, maybe now you can see it. It's got the buy limit. It's got the stop limit for buy or sell. The OCO, where's the OCO order? Oh, they do have an OCO order. One cancels the other. Yeah, so they have those orders as well. I don't hardly use those, but that's interesting. All right, well, I got lots of homework to do. I'm going to check in on Binance. Check it, well, and Titano. Why don't I, let's see. Yeah, right, Lauren? Why don't I do a podcast? I mean, I kind of do podcast. I just don't, I don't, it's not on iTunes or anything. You just find me on YouTube. This is kind of a podcast, I guess. It's not really much different. But, all right, guys, this has been definitely an interesting daily crypto update. Learning about Titano and having a little fun again with Pancake Swap. Did Shiba ever? Nope, Shiba never popped up. But yeah, I will let you guys know tomorrow's crypto update. How Binance is working out. I'm gonna see about signing up for it, and then take a look at this Titano some more. But I'm pretty much done for the day. Like I said, most of the cryptos, there's not really any huge gainers, I would say, other than Luna, it looked like. I mean, there may be something I'm missing, but overall, the market's still about generally the same. Just consolidation on Bitcoin, Ethereum trying to continue its bullish move, and we're still seeing altcoins randomly popping, different ones popping. BNB is Binance's coin, One Life. But alright, guys, appreciate everybody joining me. If you haven't yet, be sure to go check out frameworkfortune.com. It is free. Sign up. with email. We got a lot going on there. We'll be back tomorrow with another crypto update and be back in the morning for some live stream stock trading. I don't know how much trading I'll actually be doing tomorrow with the market looking as crazy as it is, but we'll see. We'll be there with the popcorn and all of that. All right, guys. You have a great rest of your night. Appreciate everybody joining me as always. Stay safe out there. Until next time.